Hello, welcome to the next in the series of review clips designed to assist you with the Biology 3201 public exam. In this clip, we'll be looking at other glands that are present in the endocrine system. The first of these of interest is the pineal gland. The pineal gland is located deep within the brain. It is a pine-shaped gland, hence the name pineal. Its hormone of interest, the hormone it produces, is called melatonin. What melatonin does is it causes a feeling of sleepiness, and it aids with our sleep. It assists in regulating our daily clock or internal clocks. The thymus gland is located between the lobes of the lung in the upper chest. It produces a hormone called thymosin. What thymosin does is it causes the production and maturation of lymphocytes into T cells. It is a very important component of the immune system. The adrenal glands, these are located on top of the kidneys, and there are two layers of them. The outer layer is known as the adrenal cortex, whereas the inner layer is known as the adrenal medulla. Both the adrenal medulla and the adrenal cortex are controlled by the hypothalamus. The adrenal cortex, to deal with this one first, produces three major hormones. The first of these is aldosterone, also known as mineralocorticoids. What aldosterone does is it regulates the blood pressure and salt levels in the blood. The second hormone produced is cortisol, or also known as glucocorticoids. It reduces inflammation and it causes glucose to be made by the liver. It also produces sex hormones. In males, these hormones are called androgens. The adrenal medulla releases two major hormones, adrenaline, or epinephrine, and noradrenaline, or norepinephrine. These hormones, both of them, are released during times of stress, and it contributes to causing the fight or flight hormone. It results in increased heart rate, respiration rate, and release of glucose by the liver, etc. All responses designed to get your body prepared to respond to an emergency situation. The gonads, the ovaries and testes, are other endocrine tissues. Ovaries are found in females, and they produce estrogen and progesterone. What estrogen does is it controls secondary sex characteristics in females, and it also prepares the uterus for pregnancy. Progesterone maintains the uterus during pregnancy. The testes, which are found in males, produce testosterone, and they control secondary sex characteristics in males. From past public exams, material has been asked on this material as well. One of these is as follows. Which hormones are produced in the adrenal gland? Your choices are ADH and FSH, aldosterone and cortisol, growth hormone and gonadotropin-releasing hormone, oxytocin and thymosin. The hormones that are produced by the adrenal gland are aldosterone and cortisol. Another hormone found on this material in past public exam questions. Which hormone is released from the pineal gland? ADH, FSH, melatonin, and oxytocin. ADH, FSH, and oxytocin are not released from the pineal gland. The hormone that the pineal gland produces is melatonin. The correct answer then is C. The following question was drawn from a previous public examination as well, and it reads, when going through puberty, how does testosterone put hair on a boy's chest? Your choices are creates a second messenger, affects cells to change shape, interacts with DNA in the nuclei of cells, or triggers nerve impulses in cells. This question recalls that you recall that testosterone would be a steroid hormone. As a steroid hormone, it would actually enter the cell and interact with the DNA inside. The correct answer then is C, interacts with DNA in the nuclei of cells. And this question, again drawn from a previous public examination, which hormone stimulates the sympathetic nervous system? Your choices are A, adrenaline, B, glucagon, C, somatotropin, and D, thyroxine. If you recall, the fight or flight response is triggered by secretions from the adrenal glands. The correct answer then is A, adrenaline. Thank you very much for your time and patience in observing this clip. I hope you found it helpful in your preparations for your examination.